take you along on my Monday reset. Every Monday I like to clean the house and just reset it for the week. I know some people like to do this on the weekend, but because I'm a stay-at-home mom, I just find it easier to do it on a Monday. So join me today as I do that. I'm now having my second cup of coffee and I might take it to go with me in the car. That way I can drink it while it's hot, and we're about to leave in 15 minutes. A little hot. There's a few things that I have changed just recently. They're not big things, but I did get some cleaning supplies from the Grove Collaborative and I am absolutely loving them. Let me show you. I got these concentrate bottles and concentrate little tubes that are pretty inexpensive, and the cool thing is once you have the glass container, which you could probably use any container, but these are really nice, and you only have to buy the refills. And since getting this, it's so weird, I really enjoy cleaning even more than I ever did before. Their products smell really good, and I had tried making some of my own cleaning products and it just wasn't really working out. I found myself not liking the smell and I felt like things just really weren't getting clean. And if you're into that, that's awesome, and I wish I was the type of person who was really good at it, but I'm just not. And these are pretty inexpensive, and I just put GC glass cleaner on here so I know, and then each bottle has its own color. And yeah, I'm really liking these. I actually have a link below if you wanted to try it out. So yeah, I'm loving this, and it's making me want to clean my house even more than ever, which is really weird. I use these microfiber, I think they're microfiber, but anyways, they're a drying cloth, and I just set my dishes on them to dry. And forever I was using a chip clip with a magnet on it to hold it and it would fall. And I finally invested in a $2 plastic hook, the command strips that you can pull off. Oh my goodness, what a difference that makes. So now I can just hang this up so quick and easy, and I don't have it falling off, and then that's where I let it dry. And because I love these so much, my mom actually bought me another one, and the cool thing about this one is it came with this little rack that you can just, it's totally flat, and you can put your plates standing up in there, and this really helps with the drying time. And the cool thing is this is so flat that it can just fit right up here, out of the way when I'm not using it. I was trying to use a bamboo drying rack, and I just found that to be a total mess. Everything was falling constantly, the thing was huge, so that did not work out for me, but this is working perfect. The only thing I need to do is I need to sew on some kind of little tab on here. That way I can hang this with the other one and let it dry. For right now, I'm hanging it right here. Another few updates we've made is I put a hanging plant here, and I love it. It brings so much life to this corner without having to have, you know, some kind of piece of furniture or knickknacks or anything. This plant is made from the clippings from that plant. It was free for me. All I had to do was cut a piece off, stick it in a glass jar, let the roots take, and then put it in there. And the only thing I purchased was this holder, and I think I'm actually gonna learn how to make these because, you know, I'm turning this place into a jungle. I also put a little hook here, and I'm using gloves now when I do the dishes most of the time because my hands have been so dry. So that's a huge improvement as well. We're finally ready to go to school. But I'm getting so much done today. I don't know why, just some days are really productive, and I feel like I've accomplished so much by 8:45 in the morning. And yeah, it's pretty incredible. Comment below and let me know if you're interested in any sort of particular video. If you'd like a full room tour or a full house tour, just let me know what you would be interested in down in the comments, because I want to make videos for you guys and I want to know what you would be most interested in. Okay, we're ready to go to school, but look, Emmett made his own bed this morning. I'm gonna leave it, maybe fix it up a little, but looking pretty good, and it's a really nice day out. Normally on a Monday refresh, I like to go shopping and restock the house, but we got off kilter and I went this weekend, so I don't need to go shopping. I will probably only need to get some milk because it looks like we are running low. Right now, as I am cleaning, I put the dirty rag straight into the washing machine and I get that load going. Having 2 little kids, I have to constantly wipe down these chairs. And I got these chairs from IKEA, but I covered the seat with this vinyl material. This was the best decision I ever made. I've said it in other videos, but honestly, this has saved us so much grief. The second I got these seats, someone spilled a whole bowl of cereal on this, so it can just be wiped right off. So that is something that's super simple to do, and I would suggest this if you have little kids and you have cloth seats. To focus on the downstairs for my Monday refresh, just get everything put away, tidied up, cleaned up, and then the rest of the week I like to spend my time going room to room and just in a spare moment doing a little cleaning job here and there, so I'm not having to spend an entire day cleaning. But it's easier to stay on top of it if I can just do it throughout my day. Make sure you click this video right here if you want to see my other Monday refresh day. Thank you for joining me, and I'll see you next time. Bye.